Wanted to make a quick video. In the Sierra Vista right now. I just checked out of the hotel, had to clean everything. Went to the gas station, got something to eat really quick. This lady was selling burritos, and she told me to come back yesterday, but I didn't have time in the morning, so I thought I would just come today. Head to Sierra Vista, it's about an hour away, and then we're gonna go to the copper mine, Bisbee, and then hopefully I can go to Tombstone too, so we'll go ahead and see, but I'll go ahead and talk to you guys in a bit. Dang, that's crazy.
Dirt loaders and it was insane.
Yeah, I love watching stuff like that, especially when you go to the museums and they have like someone talking to you about that stuff.
Can you imagine they had to take trucks down those little roads? I'd be afraid they'd cave in.
Oh heck yeah, like a landslide or something?
Yeah. It's kind of freaky, huh?
Do they still do mining here sometimes, or?
I don't think so. They did. Look, you'll see the stuff in the museum that they used to get out of here. The malachite, oh my God. They got pieces of malachite.
This is over at the copper mine in Bisbee. Got the boys. That's a cool picture.
Given the rain or something like that.
Oh yeah, I know. Like a landslide or something happened.
That building looks like it's in good shape. It could be maybe a hotel. Like it make a good hotel.
Oh yeah, maybe we just put like a hotel or something.
Maybe I should buy it and open a hotel. Bisbee parking.
Dang, this is cool. I haven't been here in so long.
That's the museum there.
Oh, isn't there like a haunted hotel?
Yeah,
this is it?
I don't know. That's in Jerome. There's a haunted hotel. I don't know.
Oh, that's the museum. Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
this is the place where we'll go for coffee. Okay, and that's the vintage market there. That's where I go. And they opened my favorite restaurant. They moved from here over to a different street. Let's see. Oh, good. We can park up here. Perfect.
Damn.
This is a nice garden. It's so peaceful, you know?
Wow, look at that fan with the copper. Dang.
Okay. And it's 11 for you.
Oh wow, Geronimo was here.
Wow, the faster you do it too, the brighter it gets. And reverse polarity, wow. Where did those originate from? The carpet bag style. That's crazy. Oh, that's cool.
I like these lanterns, are nice. Oh, this is one of these here. There's some cameos. They're black.
Oh, mother of pearl, wow, with diamonds.
Straight razor.
Oh, damn. All the old toys.
Wow, look at this marbles. These marbles are nice.
I wonder if there's some kind of connection with China and Arizona, because I was seeing a lot of old Chinese stuff at the Goodwill and everything.
Doing laundry.
Dang, look at this. Wow, such a crazy, hard life to have lived back then. Especially doing this in Arizona. Isn't that crazy to be working underground like this, especially in Arizona?
No. It's not for me.
Damn, those cards look cool.
Real plain, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the chips.
Oh, I know. Alligators.
Towns often became armed camps. Groups like the IWW
Don't mess with them.
sometimes
Yeah.
advocated sabotage, were called traitorous. Yet many of the traditional miners from Bisbee joined the military, leaving strategic mining jobs outsourced to
Those poor
newcomers
donkeys
with
going
different
down there.
ideas.
Oh, I know, huh?
Against this backdrop, many went on strike in Bisbee that summer, and the response was decisive.
Damn, look at all those people in Bisbee back then. That's a lot.
Because the mining.
Mm-hmm.
As July 12, 1917 dawned, the Bisbee deportation got underway. Over the course of the next few hours, about 2,000 men, some striking IWW members, some Union men from other occupations, were rounded up from their picket posts, from their lodgings and places of work, and taken on a long march from the suburbs to the ballpark at Warren. Here they were held and questioned, asked if they were willing to return to work. Many did, but many did not. But try only one man, Harry Wooten, who would be acquitted on the argument that a community has the right to protect itself. Few of the deported men would return to Bisbee. Yet for decades, their families and the families of those on the other side of the deportation would recall very personal ties to the event, weaving stories that have fascinated generations of Bisbee residents. As pickets and strikes spearheaded by the industrial workers of the world headed to their posts, some 2,000 men wearing white arm bands headed to intercept them. It's possible that organizations could be sure very real. In fact, the 1917 was a turbulent time for America. The nation invested in the war against Germany. Revolution
Sacramento Hill. There it is. That's the crater thing we just seen.
We want to go upstairs. This is cool. You took these brass things with you when you went in the mine, and when you returned, you.
They put them on there?
Yeah. lights, you know?
Oh yeah.
Nice. And look at the copper down there on the wire.
They even have a Nintendo up there. Let's see what he sees.
Yeah. It's like this guy's operating. Look at look at this one. It goes down and it gets a different.
Oh, so they can see what's in there.
Yeah. That's neat.
All the minerals. Oh, there's that pit
This
that we
is
seen.
high grade copper. This one.
Yeah, I never even seen malachite before. This is the first time I've seen it. It's the blue one, right?
Which one?
That one?
That's the azurite.
Oh, Azra, okay.
And it's malachite with it. The other one's malachite. I don't know what these are. Oh God, they're so beautiful.
I know, look at that one. That's crazy.
Oh wow. Look at that one. It's like it's
Dang,
alive.
so much detail.
Look at it up in, they're gorgeous. That one looks like petrified bat wings. I think you can get it better from the other side. Oh man.
Wow, yeah, it looks like something that would live in the sea.
Wow, look at that one. They have so much color. It looks like they're lighted up. God, they're gorgeous. Oh my God, look at the size of this. Look at the size of the malachite.
Oh, dang. It looks like it's alive. It's crazy.
That one looks like it's melting.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like broccoli. And what is this? Copper. Wow. That's really cool, that white one.
I've seen this one a lot, but smaller ones. That's the biggest I've ever seen it like that.
Calcite?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
It's a blue-green calcite. More blue means more copper. But
And that was mine back in the day here too.
everything from Bisbee come out of the lavender pit. But it closed in '74, so everything is old, hard to get.
And I bet there's still a lot of stuff in there.
Oh, there probably is, but you can't get in there because it's fenced off and has guards and
Oh, I know.
all kinds of good stuff. And this is all Bisbee stuff.
Is that petrified wood right here?
Yeah.
Wow, dang.
Isn't that cool? And then I'll show you my second biggest seller. My second biggest seller is this stuff right here. This is smoky quartz crystals on black petrified wood.
It doesn't excite me like the squid.
Yeah. Squid.
And this is my second biggest seller. Bisbee Ice is my first.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Is everybody up there in the Washington State area? Are they all about? You're not in the crosswalk. I can hit you. Get 13 points.
Damn, I like how they keep all those houses.
Rock.
Damn.
I
Oh, hell yeah. I would go grocery shopping with a little bike by that point. Oh, those are apartments too. Damn.
This must be their fire escape.
Oh, it is their fire station. Damn.
This house is for $3,500.
Damn, especially that one. Wow. That's a crazy looking house right there. Whoever lives here. Yeah, that's a nice town. Looks so big. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. Uh-huh. Wow, yeah, it looks like that's probably like a mine house or something like that.